Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to create VLAN zones and and what are the benefits to create the VLAN zones. So I will tell you the best thing creating VLANs and also creating interface zones and creating the policy for the zones. The main thing, if you create the VLANs, so the network will be separate network and all connected to the same VLAN, so they can access all the policies what we assign to that VLAN. So you can see here VLAN 3 also different range, and so for example the switch has 10 ports, 5 interfaces we connected to VLAN 2 and 5 interfaces connected to VLAN 3. So the from 5 to 10 interface range maybe have different firewall policy, and also this VLAN 2 also 1 to 5 has different firewall policy. So as per that we can manage, but the for example you created VLANs but we arrange all policies, but some policy we need to allow for all, so we can create the zone, we can add the zones to the policy, so the policy will be assigned to the same zone. So that's why today we are going to create the policy for the zones. You can see here in the network, in interfaces, you can see here, if you want to cover all the topics you must check the previous classes, how we can create the VLANs and how to create the zones and all, you will be understand properly. So the thing is, I already the name alias I mentioned WAN, and for the port number 1, the port number 1 is going to the ISP management port, and also you can see here port 2 is connecting to my local area network. So here you can see there is no policy as of now, we will create no policy as well. So you have to make sure you have to create the interface VLANs, and also you have to check the DNS is configured or no. So you can check in my previous videos all as well to see these VLANs, and also static routes. Static route, it means this is my gateway of this ISP 232 234.2. You can see here 234.2 WAN port 1. So after that what we will do, we will create the policy. Now go to interfaces, create new interface, click interface name, we will write VLAN, and what is the VLAN to IT, VLAN to IT alias IT, interface will be port 2 because it is going from port 2, VLAN ID will be 2, you can see here, and also we will assign the IP address 192.168.10.1/24, HTTPS administrative access ping SSH we can allow. So as per now we will click OK. The VLAN IT VLAN 2 is created here, you can see, and also we will create one more policy, one more interface VLAN 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 3. We will mention name VLAN 3 here, IHR. Also interface port number 2, VLAN ID we will give 3, give the internet network 192.168. I will select the range 11.1/24. You can see here this is my subnet So once I give administrative access, HTTPS SSH ping, click OK. Now you can see here VLAN 3 also created. VLAN 1 VLAN 2 is 10.1 range network range, and VLAN 3 is 11.1 range. Now we created the VLANs. Now we will create the zone. From interfaces only you will get the zone. So create new zone. You can give here name like whatever you want. You can assign the name here. For example, VLAN zone, or else VLAN internet LAN. Anything you can mention here, no issue. To to we are giving the name to identify only, so just you can enter any name so that you can identify for the zones. So you can see here the interfaces for the VLAN internet LAN zone. I will select like IT, HR and LAN port 2, because this VLAN interface, the zone we are creating for these VLANs, we are creating for this VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 one zone. So this is connecting in LAN port 2. So this is one zone yani. You can click OK. Once you click, the VLAN internet zone is created. Here in this zone we added LAN port 2 yani local area network and IT VLAN, HR VLAN. So the VLAN zone is created. Now we have to go to the policy and firewall policy. Here for example you have a lot of policies. In previous class what we covered, we created the VLANs, for example VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and also in the policies we create the policy for VLAN 2 to get the internet and VLAN 3. But now here we no need to do like this, only you can select the zone. So create new and you can mention LAN WAN internet or whatever. So we will select here, incoming source will be VLAN interface, VLAN internet. So it is all the LAN port 2, VLAN IT and VLAN 3 HR all included in this VLAN. Just click this one and also go to the outgoing interface will be port number 1. Source will be, I am selecting all as of now. Okay. Destination will be all. Service will be, I will keep here all, and we will not change any settings here. For example, for this policy, if you allow antivirus, web filter, DNS, application control, the VLAN if you add it in this zone and in this policy, the VLAN will be get same security policies. So that's why we will create the zones to manage all the VLANs in one zone, in one policy. So you no need to create different policies. So you can see here the LAN WAN internet is created. Now go to the PC. We will open any PC. We will check the internet access. Now we'll try to ping to the Google. You can see here ping 8.8.8.8. Enter. You can see it is pinging to the Google. So you can browse to the internet and you will get the internet access. So in this zone whoever connect to this VLAN 2, they will get VLAN 2 or VLAN 3 all in same zone, so they will all get internet access. We did not specifically create a different policy. All VLANs added to one zone, so we allow policy to the zone. So you can see the thing is working fine. So I hope you understand this, creating the interfaces and interface zones, and also creating policy on the zone. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.